how to fix Epic Games Launcher Setup Wizard ended prematurely. Hello everybody, if you're having this kind of error, you can follow up this method in order to fix it. So for that, you may go ahead and open up your file manager, this PC directly if you want. Let's head over to file manager in mine and open up this PC and locate up your C drive. Just go ahead and locate up your C drive, open it up. Now from your C drive, we have this option program files and program files into 86. We need to follow the procedure in both of them. So first of all, let's head over to program files 86 into 86, open it up. And then from here, locate up AP Games and right click on it and select delete. From the menu, select delete and delete it, uninstall it. Once that is done, you may follow the same process for the program files as well. Head back, open up program files, and then locate up Epic Games from here as well. Right click on Epic Games and then just go ahead and delete Epic Games from this as well. And that's it. After that is done, you may just go ahead and restart your device and then go ahead and install the Epic Games application again, and you should be able to go with it. So that's it for now. You may follow up this method. I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next one.